neba no bonna boolaba bakulembeze bo bajja buzikulyamu.
And in the midst of all this shock, the president comes up and he purchases member of parliament. Uganda member of parliament have been purchased at a cost of 20 million Ugandan shillings, approximately $13,000. The cheapest amount of money a person in that high caliber can be bought in this middle of the fracas, in this middle of hunger, in this middle of suffering of the voters who put you in power. The way how a dictator works is very anonymous. One way a bazita strata, a dictator zakoleramu. Do you know what we call the winning coalition? Do you know what we call influential coalition and voters? Voters mwabasemba yo wansi. Kat dictator, despite of these voters bringing the dictator into power, because when you look at the revolution of President Museveni, Eyamure Tambuyinza, he put that revolution on the peasants. Peasants mebarwa no rutano nobody Museveni mbufuzi. But as soon as he reached, as like any other dictator, Museveni yabera vira. Musoke murabo bwavu muri ne ruwero, musoke murabo bwavu buri mu byaro, murabo bwavu buri mu town, even in the middle of the town. And the dictator has been entrenched himself in power for 35 years. Now, almost 80% of people mucha earning below $1 for 35 years. What is going on in this country? Instead of getting this money, MPs, these MPs are influentials. In that strata, they are influentials. It's the influentials and the winning coalition that sustain the dictator in power. MPs have been telling you people, batunda walimu mchisera cha term limit ne age limit katimazemu no batunda. Museveni has bought these people. This is how he buys the people who entrench him in power. Mazima a cent millionaire billy. Bogenda to multiply it, it's almost 9 billion. It's a cent how many ambulances, if an ambulance is bought at 200 millions, how many ambulances are those? Almost 50. But for 50 ambulances, once they come to PG, what happens? These MPs are okay. They are not bad off. Bad off in this pandemic is Omundo Waburijo. Guarama Vidiano, Guarama Museveni Mbufuzi. When only suffering, you are the least considered in this strata. Kati tubatera videos zino ntumuyige naye instead you don't even watch them. Mugenda kulaba kenzo byatadeyo obayamba de bwerere obayogede bichi 150 views and 1000 comments muri edikenzo kubanga tadeyo bwerere bwe na izina video ezibayamba osobola kwiga no igirizo omuntu omulala nitutusa government eno yana chemalira. You give them certain views and 600 comments. Chichi mwagala bana Uganda, chichi mwagala Muganda wange nsubuga, ambiri nsubuga. Yafa ina bagamba, how can you put much of your efforts and your time on things that are ought not to be done than things that are ought to be done? You spend more of your time on less important things and you spend less time on more important things. Katamanaika na chiche twagala. What is going on in this country, mazima? Nenje kugenda miss. Imabanyankore mwe banyankore babiru. Niba musibira president wa Museveni, niba musibira president wa Museveni, murabembera yimurene buraba muhati, muryoka muyono murra, abagwira tina no kubasa kubatwara mwirwaru. But you have mutamusibira president wa Museveni. Toba tutakubasa kwekwatara hamwe if we cannot join together. We shall not get this dictator out of power. Tutukubasa because MPs banabutugena ntulonda ngabarwamirama abayisinjiro akuleta chikopo cha chai na kilo bile za sukari and you vote him in back in the parliament na yenga na kutunda kubanga you don't matter in the dictatorship setup. A voter does not matter. Muchimanyo kurgeri is over. Share this video muchihereza abantu bona babisinjira bamba rabar kunjira bakaba kasis. Share this video. Omushiza ya tweet because nakoze sapa bantu. It's all about money and death. It's not about you. It's not about your life. It's about your death. President Museveni at any single time he has never felt for any innocent Ugandan. He has never. Nutubagambira mukasheshe no mwazi tubagamba ku machano n'urweguro. Tubatere videos zino muyige. Some of these videos are researched. Okay, it may not be perfect. It may not all the information be right, but pick something that can better your life and better for this country. Na yamazima murabikintu cyo tuyita misawa zino murabe cyo tuyitamu babatira wakajanjara agavundu bu nabagabatiraho kati nabakwata abana abari obulungi these people who are okay aba member ba parliament abari okay nabate ko bukadema 20 tuli bagende babasoma bana basomesanga muri mayumba bana basomesanga tumusobora genda ne church even together. He has bought to them. This is the way how a dictator buys his cronies. Can't you get him? This is okunu dictator kwa kugura abantu abakumire mesombu fuzi. You need to have a different mindset. We need a paradigm shift. Paradigm shift. We need to shift our thinking beyond what is right now. If we want to get a new Uganda, if we want to get a better Uganda, we need a paradigm shift. A paradigm shift is not going to come on the plate. We have to change our values and beliefs about this government. Murkom duro, murkom bidura, murkom biachanis, murkom biavinta bitina mtona chunu, erengu za beach, manyogu ni basre queen, makari basre vini manyoko. We need to get together and get a new Uganda. We need to get this man out of power. And through the votes, Nkamba Gambiri, dictators. There is no dictator that is going to give you power on a silver plate. Nobody, not Museveni, not Museveni. What we need to create what we call political defiance. Non-violent means we get this dictator out of power. There is no any other way. Otherwise, Uganda is sliding into anarchy. Uganda is turning into a monarchy. In some years to come, we are heading into China. We are heading into North Korea type of governance. We are going to gender. The man is killing us. The man is finishing. The man is destroying Uganda. Uganda these things will never help you. It's politics that determine how you sleep, how you study, how you manage, how you get employment, how your child goes to school. It's these politics you need to engage in yourselves. Mufambinda bitayina mutona chibunu muri mabara muri kumwenge katuizo kusanga umuntu nagamba bagura kuti ngende nywe kumwenge obusiro matude matu. It's time to vewa mufe na tukwatirewa mu tuchuse gwanga lya fe omusajja atumara omusajja tusanyawo. What is going on in this country? Let me tell you, ignorance is not a moral obligation, it is a sin punishable by death. I would rather suffer from HIV, I would rather suffer from COVID-19, not ignorance. Social media. You share a video for Kenzo Ngayamba de Bwerere, and Rundu Rukumi, no video Gabet, no video ka Kenzo Baku JB Mwangi. No, is that politics? Is Ziambe Gwanga? No sharing a bit of Maguru. You spend all your time there. You spend more time on less important things and less time on more important things. Why can't you do the reverse? Bana Uganda. It's high time we changed our mindset to choose send was their faith to choose send was their faith. We shall never change this government. We shall never change this government. Imaba nyakole mudoko boro no kubita mukomeze Robert Chagulanyi Bobi Wine no Muganda Robert no Muganda wankahi atugotara Muganda yatsyankai ogotara Muganda yatsyankai President Museveni ogotara Muganda President Museveni yatsyankai. You cannot even earn 100,000 a week. You cannot even handle 100,000 a month in the Western region. Ocharyo muri Museveni mbona tari Muganda yatsyankai emyaka 35 abana kubokeza za P7 baza kushwerwa abana bakiza za senior 6 bashitama omwana akagwita na namategona hatin baganwe agasazire beyin warga controlling atine kimukubasa kufunam mugumeze Museveni abo bamwe baba parliament mutaka aba hotora barwanira amataipu abo bona kuko zantunga mukahiza akabara the studios of NRM. Do not bring them back to parliament. Muronda bana bato abana ba opposition ba popo bana binamani abana binobwenje mukarye bedomora muri bya MPs. Not all of them but most of them. How can you accept this man at this pandemic critical moment? We're expecting a million abili. Ngomuntu oyakuronda ngwali mukusafaring. Oyina motoka 5, oyina Karina, oyina bizimbe, and you are still expecting this money. Will you be paid with that money? Bullshit.
Ababaga manchi okulonda bwekutuuka ng'oli ategeka okulonda okufunga naawe oyingira mu ng'ogenda okuba obululu ogenda n'okkuba ng'omanyi